Hello everyone! Today I got the most awaited Raspberry Pi package. I have been waiting for this package for weeks. Let's see what we have got here. First up, the star of the show, Raspberry Pi 5 with 8GB RAM. This is the latest and greatest from Raspberry Pi Foundation with twice the performance of the Pi 4. Check out this USB 3.0 port and the new power button and this improved thermal design. This little computer is seriously impressive. Essential accessories time. Next is the official 27 watts USB Type-C power supply. Using the right power supply is crucial for stable performance, especially with the Pi 5's increased power requirements. This adapter also includes overcurrent protection. Look at this gorgeous Raspberry Pi 5 bumper case to keep it protected. This official Raspberry Pi 5 bumper case still allows access to all ports and providing proper ventilation. Watch how easily the Pi snaps in. Perfect fit. For storage, we have this 64GB A2 class micro SD card. The A2 means it has better random read and write performance, which helps the OS run smoother. It is unprogrammed. I'll be using this to install Raspberry Pi OS. The Pi 5 uses micro HDMI ports to save space. So we need this micro HDMI to standard HDMI cable to connect to a monitor. It's not all about the big boards. We also got the Raspberry Pi Pico 2W. This is a fantastic microcontroller board with built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Great for smaller embedded projects or learning to code microcontrollers. And it's super affordable too. Next is the Raspberry Pi Zero 2W, an incredibly compact computer with wireless capabilities. Despite its size, it packs a quad-core processor. This is perfect for projects where space is limited. And this red USB to micro USB cable to power them up. The bright color makes it easy to identify in a tangled mess of cables. That's my complete Pi ecosystem. I'm absolutely buzzing with project ideas for these. Now, here is where I need your help. With the Pi 5, Pico 2W and Zero 2W, there are so many directions we could go. What kind of tutorials or projects are you most excited to see me build first using these new components? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this unboxing, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the upcoming projects. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.